Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on flight mode in Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile you want to turn on flight mode, you want to use Motorola keypad mobile flight mode setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Motorola keypad mobile flight mode setting one by one and step by step we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So friends, in your Motorola mobile you want to use flight mode setting. So friends, now let's see how to use flight mode setting. Tap here menu button, and after turn on phone menu setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile, open your phone setting. The option, tap here phone setting will on in your Motorola keypad mobile, and in your Motorola keypad mobile, welcome node, profile setting you can use, phone setting you can use, date and time, language setting, shortcut setting, font size you can change in your Motorola keypad mobile, display setting you can use wallpaper, show date and time, theme setting, backlight setting. Friends, you can use brightness setting in your Motorola keypad mobile, call setting, advanced call setting, block list setting, auto call recording setting you can use in your Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, answer mode you can on, and you can use your answer mode setting in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, connectivity setting you can use, security setting if you select here, phone security setting, auto keypad lock setting you can use in your Motorola keypad mobile. Last I think friends, second last option, dual sim setting you want to use in your Motorola keypad mobile. So you can use your dual sim setting, and flight mode setting you can use, select your flight mode, OK button, tap here, flight mode will on in your Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, you can check when you will back here, so on your screen flight mode will show here. So friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile you want to turn on flight mode, so you can turn on flight mode. First of all, open your phone setting, open your phone dual sim setting, flight mode setting, select done option, tap here, flight mode will on, flight mode will icon will show on your screen. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.